The Associated Press AP and British Movietone are uploading more than a million minutes of footage to YouTube that documents the most momentous and historic events of the last 120 years. AP is uploading the videos from the year 1895 to till date, while British Movietone channel is containing footage from 1895 to 1986. There are around 550,000 video stories on these two YouTube channels. It could take around 2 years to watch all of the footage. The digitized archival footage includes coverage of political milestones and historical moments in sports, fashion, science, and entertainment. The archival footage includes major world events such as the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, exclusive footage of the bombing of Pearl Harbor in 1941, the fall of the Berlin Wall, and the 2001 terrorist attacks on the US. People who want to use the clips in their own videos will need to license them through AP.